Air mode activated. Time to fuck this shit up.
Look alright? Yep. How do you reckon she'll go?
Up.
Got enough power?
Yeah, beach.
Touchy.
Fair bit of rates too you've got on it, like for two wings with ailerons.
Well, I don't know what the rates are. I can't find the manual for it.
Yeah, I'd dial them back a little bit.
Well, that's low rate.
Yeah, I'd dial them back a bit. Sounds alright. Need any inputs, trims? Or?
I don't know. That's probably needs a bit of up.
Just watch the turns, don't go too tight on the roll.
So that's hands off.
Yep. Just keep it up a bit until you get used to it, but I reckon you're going to have to dial your ailerons back a fair bit.
Yeah.
It's touchy as hell.
Well, I put that in as low rate.
Probably because your expo thumb's shaking.
Yeah, she's a bit twitchy, eh? And there she goes landing.
Probably center of gravity too a little bit.
Well, I went on 2 forums and they suggested what the centre of gravity was, and that's what I set it up to. And by coincidence, that's what he had it set to.
Okay. Probably go down and around and come back up the strip. Get it up wide. Get it. You got no wings.
Come this way.
Yeah.
Come in this way.
Yep, just cruise it in. Keep it up over the bump. Alright. You got a fair bit of rudder input in that too. If you go around the back of it and have a look. You've got you might have to put a bit of trim in your aileron. In your rudder. No, it's not too bad. Your wheels come off again.
Yeah. Okay, so it's got to go.
Down there.
And that's, you reckon that's too much?
Yeah, well, it seems very twitchy. Just go again.
See, that's low rate, high, and that's high rate.
Yeah.
So I just did that in case I needed,
Yeah, well, you need it.
excuse me, that little bit more.
Yeah. Is it the same amount of travel top and bottom?
Yes. Yeah. Yeah, I went through and centered everything, and I put new control arms in it because he had it set up and they were all different sizes. They went from anywhere from 12mm to 16mm. It probably doesn't make much difference in the grand scheme of things.
Heavy.
It's got markings underneath it where the CG is supposed to be. You'll see the
Yeah, that's about where I picked it. My little pit.
160 from the leading edge. So you reckon that's all right?
Yeah. It just looked a little bit of a handful, that's all.
Oh, that's probably just the way I fly. I just make it look hard.